Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Check that your smart TV supports the correct input, Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, or that you have an HDMI port. Make sure your laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV when using wireless casting. Otherwise, plug an HDMI cable into the laptop's port and the TV's HDMI. Once done, close other apps and open the PowerPoint you'll present. This reduces lag and prevents notifications from interrupting the display. Next, make the connection and configure the display settings. If using HDMI, switch the TV input to that HDMI port, then choose Duplicate or Extend on your laptop display settings. Duplicate shows the same screen, Extend gives you presenter view. For Chromecast, open Chrome and cast the tab or entire desktop and select the Chromecast device. If using AirPlay or Miracast, enable mirroring on the TV. Then choose the TV name from your laptop's Connect or AirPlay menu to link screens. Finally, start the slideshow and use presenter view when you have an extended display so you see notes and timers while the audience sees slides. Make sure system audio is routed to the TV when playing embedded video or sound. Change playback device in sound settings. If the TV shows no signal or the cast drops, check HDMI cables and ports, confirm both devices share the same Wi-Fi, restart the TV or laptop, and reselect the correct TV input. This single troubleshooting step solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.